When early detection of temperature change is crucial, how fast can your system respond? In environments where a few degrees can mean disaster, you need more than just heat detection. You need certainty. At firealarm.com, we are proud to be the exclusive distributors of the ThermoCables ProReact Specialist Linear Heat Detection Systems, the global standard in temperature-sensitive fire detection. Unlike traditional point detectors, ProReact's fixed and programmable cables provide real-time continuous temperature monitoring and offering early warning exactly where it's needed the most. Let's talk more about the differences between ProReact fixed temperature and ProReact programmable temperature. The ProReact fixed temperature cable offers a straightforward, cost-effective solution for protecting large areas. It's a non-resettable system, meaning the cable must be replaced after activation. This is ideal for oil and gas industries, tunnels, cable trays, warehousing, and many more. These are a few more of the fixed benefits of fixed temperature cables. Need more control? That's where the ProReact programmable temperature comes in. A resettable cable perfect for cold zones, complex zones, and many more. This cable doesn't need to be replaced after activation. These are a few more of the benefits of the programmable temperature cable. Both of the ProReact options are tough, versatile, and compatible with your fire alarm and suppression systems. You'll be able to find them exclusively at firealarm.com. At firealarm.com, we offer fast, reliable shipping, expert guidance for product selection, and ongoing support to ensure your systems work perfectly. Don't wait for an emergency to happen. Order yours today on our website, firealarm.com, the trusted source for fire and life safety.